Today, me and Bridget are making a s'mores dip. In the top right corner of your screen, you can see the ingredients and the instructions how to make this s'mores dip. For the graham crackers, chocolate chips, and marshmallows, feel free to use any kind that you want, and also feel free to pause at any time. You're also going to want a skillet. We use the dinner at the zoo recipe, so if you want to follow along on their website too, the link will be in the description.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
The next step is pouring your chocolate chips into your skillet while the oven's preheating. Fill it up however much you like. I just filled it up to the bottom. Wait till the oven's preheated and then put your chocolate chips in for 3 to 4 minutes until melted.
Chocolate's pretty melted. Put the marshmallows on top, and if it's too high, then split the marshmallows in half since they're jumbo. And then put that in for like 3 to 2 minutes till they're melted. I mean, not melted, till they're like brown.
Put your marshmallows and chocolate chips in a cast iron skillet into the oven for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown.
Look much better. A little bit hard to get out of the oven. But yeah, they look like way more roasted. I can show you. Pretty roasted.
On a 1 out of 5 scale, I would probably give this a 3 because I could barely taste the chocolate chips. Like they were like frozen to the bottom for some reason. And it was like way too filling just for one person. But if you have a lot of people that want to eat this, then it's probably going to be really good. But it's just too much for one person.
My rating on the s'mores dip was like 7 out of 10, or like 2 stars, I guess, out of 5, because you can only have it for like, it's big, so you would probably want it for like multiple people, and it was only me and like a little bit of my family had a little bit of it, but it freezes, like the chocolate freezes really quickly, so you have to only have it like, you only have like 10 minutes until you can eat it for, so like it's kind of annoying, but it was pretty good.